Hello everyone, my name is Karan Vijwani. I completed my electrical and electronics engineering from Mahakal Institute of Technology in 2017. Currently, I'm working as a technology analyst in Infosys USA. And post that, I completed my Master of Science in Information Systems from Pace University, New York. So it's been a long journey for me, and MIT has a very critical role to play in. I would say right at the first step, when I was trying to prepare for GRE, and I was little skeptical to go for the first step as it would require me to travel to Indore and come back to attend my classes. But coincidentally, MIT had arranged a seminar for us where it made us aware about the foreign education, and they allowed us to meet with some representatives which help in doing that. So for me it was a big support because it allowed me to stay in Ujjain itself, prepare for my examination, and simultaneously attend my college also. So whenever you are preparing for competitive examination, you always require some flexibility from your college, and I would say I did achieve that because my faculty members, my department, they allowed me such schedule, such flexibility, so that I can totally focus on my examination and prepare for it. So through this video interaction, I would like to say a big thank you to all my teachers, my department, and my whole MIT group of institutes for providing me a platform so that I could focus on my aim and achieve my goals. Uh, Also, like the fellow students who are studying in MIT right now, I would say that please utilize your time in doing your studies and talking to your teachers, especially because when you will talk to your teachers, you will get the correct guidance. And please focus on two things, I would say, apart from your studies itself. First is like quantitative aptitude, and the second thing is verbal reasoning, because these two things will allow you to focus on your competitive examinations and also prepare you for your company drives, like placement drives and all that stuff. So so ask like right questions to your teachers, communicate with them, and especially the career and placement cell, we have some great faculty members there, some great people who can guide you properly. And sometimes even we are not able to figure out what to do, what not to do, so in that case also you can ask, you can go and ask. uh, so in my whole journey, I think MIT has a huge role to play in. I can't thank enough all the faculty members for providing me the support at the application process also, because when I completed the examination and I was ready to go in for my masters, it requires a lot of application process which needs support from the college, some letterheads, and I don't know what not. So at that time also there was never a no from anyone. They were wholeheartedly helped me, and I'm forever grateful to them. So concludingly, I would like to say that uh, thank you all my teachers, and best of luck to all the current students who are studying in MIT. Thank you very much.